Hello guys! Cell phone holders are essential accessories for people who rely heavily on their smartphones throughout the day. Whether you're driving, working, or just enjoying leisure time, a reliable holder can keep your device safe and within reach. These holders come in a wide range of designs and styles, from simple dashboard mounts to more elaborate stands with adjustable angles and arms. With so many options to choose from, it's easy to find the perfect holder to suit your needs and make your life a little bit easier. Top 1. The Miracase 4-in-1 Cell Phone Holder. For car is a versatile and reliable accessory that allows you to securely mount your phone in your car in a variety of ways. It is designed to work with most smartphones, including the latest iPhone 13 series, iPhone 12 series, and Samsung models, as well as other brands. This cell phone holder offers 4 different mounting options: dashboard, air vent, windshield, and desktop. The dashboard and windshield mounts use a strong suction cup to securely attach to the surface, while the air vent mount uses a clip to attach to the vent blades. The desktop mount has a non-slip base to keep it stable on any surface. The holder is adjustable to accommodate different phone sizes and orientations, and the 360-degree rotation allows you to view your phone at any angle. The holder also has a one-button release system, making it easy to remove your phone when you need to take it with you. Overall, the Miracase 4-in-1 cell phone holder for car is a reliable and convenient solution for anyone who wants to keep their phone safe and within reach while driving. Its versatility and ease of use make it a great choice for anyone who frequently uses their phone in the car. Top 2. The VICSEED Universal Phone Mount. For car is a durable and reliable car phone holder that offers multiple mounting options to suit your preferences. This cell phone holder is compatible with a wide range of smartphones, including the latest iPhone 14, 13, and 12 Pro Max models, as well as all other mobile phones. The holder features a long and sturdy arm that can extend up to 7.5 inches, making it easy to adjust the position of your phone to your desired angle and distance. The arm is also flexible, allowing you to adjust it for optimal viewing while driving. The holder can be mounted on your dashboard, windshield, or air vent, making it easy to find the perfect location to suit your needs. The VICSEED Universal Phone Mount. For car uses a strong suction cup that can securely attach to any smooth surface, keeping your phone stable and secure while driving. The holder also features a one-touch release button, making it easy to remove your phone when you need to take it with you. Overall, the VICSEED Universal Phone Mount for car is a durable and versatile accessory that offers reliable and easy-to-use phone mounting options for your car. Its solid construction and flexible arm make it a great choice for anyone who wants a phone holder that can adjust to their preferences while driving. Top 3. The VANMASS Universal Car Phone Mount is an innovative and safe hands-free phone holder that provides multiple mounting options for your car. This phone holder is compatible with a wide range of smartphones, including the latest iPhone 13, 12, and 11 Pro Max, as well as Samsung Galaxy S20, Note 10, and 9. This car phone holder is designed with patented technology and certified safety features, ensuring that your phone stays secure and protected while driving. The holder can be mounted on your car's dashboard, windshield, or air vent, giving you the flexibility to choose the best location for your phone. The VANMASS Universal Car Phone Mount features a strong and adjustable arm that can extend up to 6.5 inches, allowing you to position your phone at the perfect angle for optimal viewing. The holder also has a 360-degree rotation, making it easy to adjust your phone's orientation as needed. The phone holder uses a suction cup that can securely attach to any smooth surface, and it also comes with an air vent clip for added stability. The holder also has a one-button release system, making it easy to remove your phone when you need to take it with you. Overall, the VANMASS Universal Car Phone Mount is a safe and reliable accessory that provides multiple mounting options and adjustable features to suit your needs. Its innovative design and certified safety features make it a great choice for anyone who wants a hands-free and secure phone holder for their car. Top 4. The Nulaxy Dual Folding Cell Phone Stand is a versatile and fully adjustable desktop phone holder cradle dock that is compatible with a range of devices, including phones such as the iPhone 14, 13, 12, 11, Pro XS, XS Max, XR, X, and 8, as well as the Nintendo Switch and tablets that measure 7 to 10 inches. The stand is designed to be both sturdy and lightweight, making it easy to transport and perfect for use in a variety of settings, including the office, home, or while traveling. The stand features a dual folding design that allows it to be collapsed down to a compact size when not in use, making it easy to store. With a fully adjustable design, the Nulaxy dual folding cell phone stand can be set at a variety of different angles to suit your needs. The stand is also equipped with non-slip pads on the base and backrest to help keep your device in place and prevent it from slipping or sliding while in use. Whether you're looking for a convenient way to watch videos, browse the web, or keep your device within reach while you work, the Nulaxy dual folding cell phone stand is the perfect solution. Top 5. The LISEN cell phone stand is a versatile and adjustable phone stand that is perfect for use on your desk or table. This phone holder stand is designed to be compatible with all mobile phones, including the iPhone 14, as well as iPads and tablets that are 4 to 10 inches in size. The stand is constructed with high-quality materials that are both durable and reliable. It features a thick case-friendly design that allows you to keep your phone in its protective case while still being able to use the stand. This makes it easy to set your phone down and pick it up again without having to remove the case each time. The LISEN cell phone stand is also adjustable, with a taller design that allows you to use it at a variety of angles. This makes it easy to find the perfect viewing angle for your device, whether you're using it for work or for entertainment. In addition to its adjustable design, the LISEN cell phone stand is also equipped with non-slip pads that help to keep your device in place while in use. This prevents your phone or tablet from slipping or sliding off the stand, ensuring that it stays securely in place. Overall, the LISEN cell phone stand is a reliable and functional desk accessory that can help you stay organized and productive while using your mobile devices. Whether you're using it for work or for leisure, this adjustable phone stand is sure to make your life easier and more convenient.